Welcome back, and if it's your first time here, thanks for coming. My name's Jasmine, and I am the founder of theblackbib.com. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, please comment, and of course keep coming back because I have a ton more content that I want to share with you. So summer's around the corner. This time of year for me means that I get a lot of out-of-town guests. As you can see, I'm in a bedroom right now, and this is one of our guest bedrooms at our beach house, and I love to put together a really nice welcome amenity, I like to call them, for my guests when they come. It's just really nice to walk in and see a little something sitting next to the bed just to welcome you there. You don't have to spend a ton of money. You don't even have to put a lot of things in a welcome amenity. It's really just the thought that counts. But I'm gonna show you how I put mine together and give you some tips for putting together the perfect welcome amenity. Okay, first and foremost, something to snack on. So this granola is delicious and it's from a local farm by us, and I just thought it was the perfect thing. Even if this is the only thing that you put there, that's great, it's perfect. It's wrapped up and has great packaging and it's delicious. Something they may have forgotten. So I love the beach bum stuff. It smells delicious and it just looks really pretty in the room. It's very beachy looking. So I have some hair conditioner, spraying conditioner, and some cool down lotion and some suntan lotion, because that's something that people will sometimes forget and they're definitely gonna need it if they're coming to the beach. Something local. I like to put Schreiber saltwater tappies because it is famous here down at the shore, especially in Ocean City. It's just a great souvenir to have from Ocean City, so I definitely always include this. Something to do, so I love this little deck of cards. It's super summery and it's just cute, and something to do in case it rains or if they want to bring it to the beach. Last but not least, something to put it all in. So I love these baskets. They're neon and they're very beachy. It's just so easy to throw everything in here and sit it on the end table, and then you're done. You don't even have to wrap anything up. So that's it. Really easy breezy, and your guests will love it. I hope that you put together the perfect welcome amenity now that you have some tips. And please come back for more. I will be here all summer making videos. Oh, one last tip. Make sure you get some extra for yourself because usually the snacks are really delicious. Bye.